part 3 of cleaning out the hopper. I'll run it in reverse until it's just about to come out. You can see it get close. See the water push out of the hole. I mean, it's close. Now I'll take the hose, spray it down in the actual cylinder. I know it's kind of hard to see. You can get the extra concrete out. Very important to get all that out. That could cause a lot of problems if you don't get it cleaned out. I'll spray inside that one. I'll run it in reverse. Just about to flip. Perfect timing. Give the auger a little rotate to give yourself some more room in there. And then you spray out the other cylinder. Come around to the front and run it in reverse, spray it down in the hole again. Then come back up and repeat those steps again until you have clear, clean water flowing out of your pistons.